Ever wondered why the euro has remained unexpectedly stable, despite a significant drop in producer prices across the Eurozone? It's a question that's been puzzling economists and traders alike. This stability comes as a surprise since producer prices, the prices businesses receive when they sell their goods to other businesses, are a key indicator of inflation. When producer prices drop, it suggests that inflation is starting to slow at the wholesale level. This could eventually result in lower consumer prices, providing some relief to households grappling with rising costs. The stability of the euro in the face of this decline indicates that investors may be cautiously optimistic about the future path of inflation and the European Central Bank's monetary policy. However, this is just one piece of the puzzle. So the question remains, why is the euro holding firm? Let's unravel the concept of producer prices. In the simplest terms, producer prices are the costs that businesses incur when they sell their goods to other businesses. It's like a backstage pass to the wholesale stage of the economy. Now, when these prices take a dip, it suggests that inflation at this level is slowing down. Picture it as a cool-down phase in the economic marathon. This slowdown, in turn, could lead to lower prices for us, the consumers. Imagine it as a potential discount coupon for households grappling with rising costs. So, how does this affect the big picture? Well, the European Central Bank, or the ECB, uses this inflation data as a compass to guide its monetary policy decisions. If inflation shows signs of cooling down, the ECB might not be as eager to hike up interest rates. And lower interest rates can encourage borrowing and investment, which could kickstart economic growth. Now, how does this all tie into the resilience of the euro? It's fascinating to explore the potential reasons behind the euro's surprising stability. Several factors may be at play here. For starters, global economic developments could be providing support to the euro. A weakening US dollar, for instance, might be bolstering the euro's position. Then there's investor confidence. Despite lower producer prices, investors may still have faith in the long-term prospects of the Eurozone economy. This confidence could be acting as a buffer, keeping the euro steady amid changing economic conditions. Lastly, we can't overlook market speculation. Traders, always a step ahead, might be anticipating future actions from the European Central Bank and adjusting their positions accordingly. This cautious optimism about the future path of inflation and ECB policy is reflected in the euro's resilience. But remember, this is just one data point. As we continue to monitor economic data and ECB pronouncements, only time will tell if this is indeed a turning point for inflation in the Eurozone.